Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Lila WebDev. In this video, we are going to learn how to support the multiple languages in the Android applications. Are you ready? So of course you are. I think let's get started. Android devices are used all around the world and people speak many different languages. Now if you build your app only in your own language, people from other countries might not be able to use it, right? That's why we need to support multiple languages in our apps. But wait, do we have to make separate app for every language? No, absolutely not. We just build one application and then we add multiple language support. Let me show you how this system works in the Android. By default, Android apps all are created in English only. If the user's phone is set to English, your app will show in English. If the user's phone is set to another language that your app supports, then the app will show in that language. But if your app does not support that language, Android will fall back to the English. For example, your app supports English and French. If the device is in French means then the app shows in French. If the device is in German means your app doesn't support the German, right? So automatically it will default goes back to the English. That is how it works. So let's try to open the Android Studio. So let's try to start the new project. So here I am having the new project. So now let's design this one. So here I will go to here, and in this one let's go here, and in this one I will be having a text and I will drag a button. Okay, and for this one what I would be trying to do is, instead of having this text, so here I will add a string value, so hello, and this resembles the hello world. Okay, so let's try to keep it. Okay, and this hello world will come. Okay, sorry, fine. Let's go to back to this button, and here also I will try to add message string value to, sorry, show toast button. Okay, this is the key, and show toast message. Fine. So let's try to click on this. Okay, so like this we can use these all things. So now I want to center this both horizontally. Okay, so fine, let's keep it like that only, and let's go into our, okay, let's center it vertically also. Sorry, this one, let's center it vertically also. So fine, now these both are there, right? So let's go to our activity.main.kt file. So here I will be having the button late init where button of type button. Okay, and here I will be trying to do button is equal to find view by id of or dot id dot button, right? So now here let's go into our string.xml file. I will try to show you the values, and here strings.xml file, and here we are having the show toast button, right? So let's try to remove this slash n. Yeah, and here you can have another one, something like show toast message. That is the message I want to show. Oh, sorry. So that is the message I want to, this is a toast message. Fine, and let's go to our main activity.kt file, and here I want to show button dot set on click listener of, then whenever, so toast dot make text, toast dot make text of this comma, and here I can use r dot string, r dot, sorry, r dot string dot, so you will be having these all things, I will be showing the message, and here I can have toast dot length, sorry, sorry, I am spelling mistake. So toast dot length underscore long dot show, we'll show it like this. Fine, done. Let's go here in our activity.main.xml file, and let's run this let's run this code, how it will look like. Okay, so let's run this one. So it may take some time to run in my system, but let it run. Let's see. Now here you will be able to see the hello world and also show text message, right? If I click on this one, we are able to see the toast message also. So here this is toast message. Now let's minify this one. Okay, and here what I would be trying to do it is, let's see, and here let's attach to this one. Yeah, so now what I want to do is I want to change the language for this one. So how can I change the language? So if I want to support multiple languages, then you can go to the strings.xml file. Here you will be having an open editor, and here you will be able to see a globe icon. So here you can click on this one, so you'll be able to see a lot more things will be there. So just you can add, let's say that I want to add it for Arabic, let's say. Okay, so here these are the things we are having it, right? So let's copy this one. So we don't know the Arabic language, so just what I will try to do is I will try to add Arabic at the end. Okay, and here also I will try to do show toast message Arabic at the end. Okay, and here also I will try to do Arabic at the end. Fine, right? So these are all the messages which I want to show. So let's try to refresh this app. Not refresh this app, so just I am trying to this app. So now when I save this one, so here you will be able to see in the strings you will be able to have two XML files. This one is the Arabic file and this one is the English file. So here by default it is coming in the English color, English, right? So now if I go to the settings, so let me go to the settings and I will try to show you how this one will look like. Where is the settings? Here you will be able to see the settings, right? Yeah, here you can able to see the settings, and in the settings I will try to search for the language. Okay, so here you can able to see add a language. So here I think, yeah, so here we are already having the Arabic, right? So just I will move it to the top. Okay, so it is asking, so change it to this. So now if I change this language, okay, so here you are having it like this, right? Let's try to open the app here. So if I try to open this app, you'll be able to see hello world Arabic and hello to show toast means Arabic. So that means Arabic language is automatically populating here. If I try to click on this one, so you'll be able to see the toast message also in Arabic it is coming. So if I go back again in the systems and if I go back again to the English, okay, so then again it will ask you to change. Automatically your app also will change it to, where is this one? It's taking some time. Yeah, so if I try to check my app, so here again it is coming English. So this is how actually the multiple language or the language support works in the Android. It is very pretty simple, right? So whatever the device you are having, the what I want to say is just whatever the language you are having, so the language, the system settings you are having, right, in the language and input, so that is the language only you will be able to see. Everything now is in the Arabic language. So that's it, right? That's it, guys. So you have just learned how to create the resource, how to create string resource in the string.xml file, and also we add translations for the multiple languages, and we have tested our app in different device languages also. So remember, every text in your app must be inside strings.xml file if you want to support multiple languages. Now your app is ready for the whole world. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye.